Hello, fellow crypto enthusiasts. Welcome to the spectacular world of crypto Halloween, where we unmask the mysteries of cryptocurrencies world. I'm Steven, your guide through the thrilling journey, and just like Halloween, the world of crypto is full of excitement, surprises, and a touch of magic. In today's video, we'll share with you a project that's called Chimpzee.io. Before we dive into today's crypto Halloween adventure, please note that I'm not a financial advisor, and the content presented in this video is not intended as financial or investment advice. The information provided here is just for education and entertainment purpose only. So don't forget to put like in this video and comment, and see you after this intro. Hello, another time to the second part of our video. The project, as we said, it's called Chimpzee.io. It's an earn income, flight, climate change, and save animals with Chimpzee. It's 100% secured and verified, and you can read the white paper from here and see the whole PDF. But for now, we will see the website, the official website with all features that include in this project. You can also check the verified contract from here, and as we said, it's 100% secure, and they show the roadmap from the top of the website. As you see here, Chimpzee plants 1,200 trees to restore Brazil rainforest. Chimpzee donates 15,000 to save elephants. Chimpzee plants 20,000 trees in Guatemala. And as you see, 1 USDT is like 1053 Chimpzee for now. You can buy it from here, or you can see how to buy it. But let's go further in our website. Working together with this great organization like the Given Block, One Tree Planted, and Wild, and featured in Capital Nation, Cointelegraph, News BTC, Conest. 100 security, audited and verified. Team verified by Cyberscope. Cyberscope verification ensured added trust to investors. Project fully security, audited by Solidity Finance. They provide contract security audits to boost investor confidence. So, about the project, Chimpzee is a revolutionary new way to people to earn incomes while saving the environmental and animals at the same time. Chimpzee provides 3 ways to earn and see one of the projects, and is one of the few projects that will make an impact while still in the pre-sale, because nature and environment can't wait. We already helped plant 20,000 trees to restore a rainforest, and there is 3 ways to earn: Chimpzee store or shop to earn, NFT marketplace, trade to earn, and zero tolerance game, play to earn. And income, rewards, and benefits with the Chimpzee Get passports. The Chimpzee NFTs passports are the key to earn most income, receiving the biggest rewards, and having the most benefits in the Chimpzee ecosystem. There are 4 NFTs passport: diamond, gold, silver, and bronze. People that don't own a passport will earn less income, receive less reward, and have less benefits. So this is some NFTs as you see here. Here is a list of some benefits you will receive, like 20% API stake from NFT, Chimpzee token, earn Chimpzee token, NFT marketplace, zero tolerance game, rewards and benefits, burning Chimpzee tokens. Chimpzee ecosystem, shop to earn. As we said, the Chimpzee offers a range of unique merchandise for sale and earn passive income for you in the form of Chimpzee coin. Your purchase demonstrates your support the battle against the climate change and animal cruelty. A percentage of profits go to the charity, so you can feel good about your purchase. Play to earn. Dive headfirst into the action of Chimpzee zero tolerance game and Chimpzee coins, access premium prizes, and gain an advantage using your NFT passport or custom avatar to stop poacher and protect the forest from destruction. Become a hero for Earth by joining the Chimpzee movement. And finally, the trade to earn way is your way to better reward with the Chimpzee NFT marketplace, the first platform to share a portion of trading fees profit with its users. The environment focused NFTs will be featured in the main page, and all projects will be to minimize copying. The tokenomics is like that. Firstly, 45% public sale, 50% for marketing, 10% exchange and liquidity, 10% as a charity, other 10% for development, 5% community rewards, and 5% team locked for 2 years. No selling tax, no buying tax, and no fees. You can see all the details here, and this is the roadmap that you can see it from the phase 1 to the 7 phase when and from the launch website, verify smart chain contracts and pre-sale marketing to develop and test play to earn games, create animated series, announce more donation and more CUX listing, marketing events and promos, Chimpzee ambassador program. Pre-sale stage is like that. Now 1 USDT, the first stage was from 1 USDT to 2000 Chimps, and now they are in the 3 stage, the silver one that you can buy it now. And this is some details. If there is any question, the Chimpzee team have already answered to all questions that everyone have. What is Chimpzee? How do I make money with Chimpzee? How do I claim Chimps token? How many stages are there? And when does Chimpzee will launch? And you can see also some other answers here, and you can see also a list of the organization we planned or they plan to supporting. Let's join the Chimpzee army and let's save planet together. So this is it. You can see all the websites. You can also connect your wallet from here, and you can see also how to buy the Chimpzee. Very simple. The first step is to have MetaMask and connect your wallet. After that, you must buy Ethereum, or you have already Ethereum or USDT, and you can take your Chimpzee tokens that's built in the Ethereum network, and this is the smart contract. So thank you very much for your watching. I hope I was helpful in this video. If there is any question, I will be here, and see you in the previous videos.